Hello traders, welcome back to my channel Stock Daddy 41. This is your host Ali Abbas. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today was one of the most incredible volatile days I have seen in a very long time. But before we get to that, just want to give you the post-market analysis of Bank Nifty. Open gap up, straight away went for a selling, and it was challenging the closing range, which was quite a long range, almost 2 hours range of yesterday. So once it broke the lower support again, there was a little bounce back, and then it broke, and then a price action, and then a straight forward move to the downside. But where the bottom was, there was no saying, because here there was a support which was also taken for Wednesday, and this again became the support. Exactly from here it bounced back up. Now look at the movements: 51,900, 51,200, 700 point drop, then a 500 point upside, then a 500 point drop, again a 500 point upside, and then finally settles at around 200 points down, 200 250 points. So yes, very volatile day, very volatile day. I got hunted twice. I'll just get to that in a minute. So the VWAP was at 51,700, and I'll just show it to you on the call side. 51,700 call option. Yeah, okay. So our first capture for the day happened over here. Okay, we got a buy signal over here exactly at 286, 288, sorry, and within 10 minutes our stop loss got hit and we had to exit. So that was 51,700. And then the second trade, since VWAP came down to 51,500, I switched to 51,500 call option after this morning trade. Now see over here, this was deeper in the money, so the delta was supporting. It gave the first target, almost hit the second target, and then gave a stop loss. But for us, it just bought and started decaying straight away. So the delta played a major role in deep in the money options today. So couldn't help it. That's how the market is. Then our second trade was over here, where we got a buy at 364, and immediately after I would say about half an hour, we got our stop loss hit. So the second stop loss hit happened on 51,500. Then stayed on the same range, so I decided, let's just wait. Now see these swings from 265 all the way to 465, 480. So 200 points, and then a 200 plus point drop, and then again we got a buy signal over here on the same strike at 230. So that buy was 273. It hit our first, you can see it's very faint over here, first, second and third target over here. After that, it just kept moving, so I was keep on trailing my stop loss. I think this is where it got hit, or I'll just have to check. So this was the move that actually saved the day for us. I'll just go back and see what happened over there. Then apart from that, on the put side, we had 51,700 put. Yeah, 51,700 put, nothing happened. There was no indicator. There was a rise, a fall, a rise, a fall, a rise, again a fall, and then a rise and a bigger fall, a bigger rise and a bigger fall. So a lot of hunting happened today over here. If we just go back to 51,500 put option, even on that strike, there was no buying indicated. So we got three trades today. All three of them were on the call side for buying, and two were stop loss hits, and the third one saved the day. So let's just go to the Excel sheet now. Okay traders, these are our three trades updated for today, the 21st of June, Friday. All three were buy on the call side, 51,700 being as per the VWAP level. It was a straight stop loss, so we got a loss of 184 points. The second trade also 364 was the buy, 306 was the stop loss. We lost 232 points. Now I got disappointed because that took me below 2000. And then the third trade, and this was the one that saved me from dropping below 2000. So 294, sorry, 273 was the buy, 294 first target, 316 second target, 360 third target, and then trailing the stop loss at 367. Though I could have taken at least 50 points more, no problem. So 245 points was the net. So all in all, a loss of 171 points. Not bad. It was a good run. It took more than 20 days, 20 calendar days to get a loss day. So that's absolutely fine. That's part of trading. So I'm really glad that I'm humbled. I get to be humbled by my losses. Otherwise, before that feeling kicks in of flying high, it's really important that you know that the market cannot always be in your favor. Though the subscribers are giving positive feedbacks to this indicator. If you'd like to also subscribe to this indicator, please do email me on stockdaddy41@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp me on the number mentioned in the description. I'll see you guys Monday. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend.